In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Office 365 webmail on POPI, IMAP, and SMTP Outlook server and port settings. This process is incredibly useful for managing your mail settings if you're using various email applications or devices. It ensures that your emails are synced and accessible across different platforms. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in right at the top of the screen. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. Now, you'll need to enter your login details. This typically includes your email address and password associated with your Office 365 account. Once you've entered the correct information, click on Next to continue. Now that you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Outlook dashboard. It might look a bit busy with emails and options, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. Focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon there, which serves as your settings menu. Click on it to access a range of options. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the Mail section. This is where you'll make the necessary adjustments. Under Mail, navigate to the Forwarding and IMAP tab. This section is crucial for configuring how your emails are handled and accessed by different clients. In the Forwarding and IMAP section, you will spot a button for POP and IMAP. These acronyms stand for Post Office Protocol and Internet Message Access Protocol, respectively. They are the settings that determine how your email is retrieved and stored on different devices. By default, the setting may be off, but you have the flexibility to turn it on or off as needed, depending on your preferences or requirements. If you decide to enable or disable the setting, make sure to hit the Save button. It's essential to save your changes to ensure your new settings are implemented. This small step will safeguard that your adjustments are properly recorded and active. Remember, these changes can significantly impact how you access and manage your email, so take a moment to verify if everything is configured to your liking. And that's it. You've just learned how to check your Office 365 webmail settings regarding POP, IMAP, and SMTP through Outlook. By adjusting these settings, you can ensure your email workflow is smooth and adapted to your needs. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you need to make further adjustments. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tech tutorials.